Hello everyone, welcome to Easy Math Tutorials, your one-stop center for mathematics. In this video, we shall see how to easily construct a right angle triangle without a protractor. So let's get started. Easy construction of a right angle triangle. So in this video, I am going to construct a right angle triangle without a protractor. So for that, I need 3 sides. The measurements of the sides that I am planning to take are 6 centimeters, 8 centimeters and 10 centimeters. Let's see whether the triangle obtained using these measurements form a right triangle or not. We can start with any measurement. I have started with the measurement 8 centimeters. I draw a line segment of 8 centimeters and call it BC. Now we have to obtain the remaining measurements. So now take 6 centimeters on the compass. Center the compass at B and draw an arc. So we have finished with 8 centimeters and 6 centimeters. Moving on to the last measurement. Measure 10 centimeters on the compass. Center the compass at C and draw an arc so that it cuts the previously drawn arc. Now let that point be called as A. So now we join BA as well as AC. Now let us write the measurements. BC is 8 centimeters, AB is 6 centimeters as well as AC is 10 centimeters. So now we have drawn a triangle and I say that triangle ABC is a right angle triangle. Hence, I have drawn a right angle triangle without a protractor using the above measurements. The triangle is right angled at B, which means angle ABC is 90 degrees. Let us check with the protractor. We can see that angle ABC is 90 degrees. Now what is the reason for this being a right angle triangle? It is because the measurements that I have taken for the sides satisfy the Pythagorean theorem. Now what is a Pythagorean theorem? The Pythagorean theorem is a theorem for right angle triangles, which is hypotenuse square is equal to base square plus altitude square. Here the base is 8, the altitude is 6 and the hypotenuse is 10. Let's start with the LHS. Hypotenuse square is 10 square, which gives us 100. Moving on to the RHS. Base square is 8 square, which gives us 64. Next on the RHS we have plus. Then we have the altitude square. Altitude square will be 6 square, which gives us 36. So on the RHS we have 64 plus 36, which gives us 100. So now we can see that both the LHS and the RHS have the same value 100. Hence, LHS is equal to RHS. Thus, the Pythagorean theorem is proved. Therefore, the triangle obtained with measurements of 6, 8 and 10 centimeters form a right angle triangle. Can you guess any other measurements for the sides to form a right angle triangle? Do let me know in the comments below. Stay tuned to my channel for more interesting videos. Thanks for watching. Please like, share and subscribe. Also hit the bell icon.